Everything around us has a name. A person, a place, an animal, or even an idea. These naming words are called nouns. In today's lesson, you'll learn what is a noun, why nouns are important, the 8 main types of nouns, easy examples for each type, and a quick practice activity. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: person, teacher, doctor, Emma. Place: school, park, Pakistan. Thing: book, pencil, computer. Idea: love, honesty, happiness. Without nouns, we cannot tell who or what we are talking about. Types of noun. 1. Proper noun. A proper noun is the specific name of a person, place, organization, or thing. It always begins with a capital letter. Examples: Zara, London, Mount Everest, Monday, English, Google. Zara visited London during her summer vacation. In this sentence, Zara and London are proper nouns. 2. Common nouns. A common noun is the general name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Examples: girl, city, river, dog, school, teacher. The girl walked to the park. In this sentence, girl and park are common nouns. 3. Concrete nouns. A concrete noun is something you can experience with your 5 senses. You can see it, hear it, touch it, smell it, or taste it. Examples: apple, flower, guitar, rain, chocolate, puppy. 4. Abstract nouns. An abstract noun is something you cannot see or touch. It is an idea, feeling, quality, or emotion. Examples: kindness, courage, freedom, honesty, friendship. 5. Collective nouns. A collective noun names a group of people, animals, or things. Examples: team, family, class, flock, bunch, audience. 6. Material nouns. A material noun names the material or substance from which things are made. Examples: gold, silver, cotton, wood, iron, plastic. Countable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted. They have singular and plural forms. Examples: 1 apple, 2 apples, 1 chair, 5 chairs. 8. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot usually be counted individually. Examples: water, milk, sugar, rice, information, furniture. Let's have a quick comparison. Proper noun: Ali. Common noun: boy. Concrete noun: apple. Abstract noun: kindness. Collective noun: team. Material noun: gold. Countable nouns: books. Uncountable nouns: water. Let's practice and identify the type of noun. The family is eating dinner together. Family, collective noun. Dinner, abstract noun. Paris is a beautiful city. Paris, proper noun. City, common noun. Happiness is always appreciated. Happiness, abstract noun. The table is made of wood. Table, common noun. Wood, material noun. Please buy 3 oranges. Oranges, countable noun. She poured some milk into the glass. Milk, uncountable noun. Glass, common noun. Now it's your turn. Write 1 sentence in the comments using your favorite type of noun. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching